Hey cuties! This week we are going to listen to Chiki Chiki Kadai 4. Last week we saw Chiki Chiki was helped by his baby elephant friend. This week let's see what Chiki Chiki is up to. Chiki Chiki and his friends one afternoon went to play near the forest boundary. They were playing happily and enjoying themselves. So when they were playing, they got this wonderful idea when it was growing towards evening that they should go listen to the birds singing in the forest. So what did they do? They all decided to go inside a little bit and see if all the birds have gathered to sing. So all these cuties were enjoying this. Suddenly what happened? There was a sudden sound and there were a lot of hunters who came in there. So Chiki Chiki and his friends, what did they do? Quickly they went and hid behind the tree. And what happened? Something very sad happened. These hunters brought a net and they threw it on all these birds which were sitting on the tree branches and trapped all of them. Chiki Chiki and his friends were shocked. They said, "Oh no! Enna panna porom? How are we going to save them?" Abdina, they were all very worried. So, what did these hunters do? Quickly they tied up the net and hung it on one of the tree branches and went to pick up a vehicle from the nearby village to carry all these birds. Chiki Chiki and his friends were very upset and all these birds were very upset and they were all crying and making all kinds of noise. So Chiki Chiki and his friends, what did they do? They went and consoled the birds and said, "Don't worry, we will help you come out of this trap and we will save you. Wait for some time. Let me think," Chiki Chiki said. So quickly what did he do? He started thinking. So he got a brilliant idea. He said, "Come on, we will open up these knots on the tree branch and we will get this net down. But what you should do is you should use your strength and flap your wings and fly high so that you can carry this net and go a little away and we will help you open up the net and free you away," he said. And what did he do? He quickly with his friends went up and opened up the knot which was tied to the branch. And then what did he do? He started giving them a very energetic talk. "Come on, friends, you should be able to open up yourself and fly high. Come on, flap your wings and fly high," he said. Fly high, flap your wings and fly high. So all these birds with all the energy flapped their wings and carried that bundle to the nearest place where they could hide from the hunters. And what did Chiki Chiki and his friends do? Chiki Chiki and his friends quickly reached there and started opening up the net. The little puppy started biting the net and it opened up, and Chiki Chiki and his friends with their hands tore apart the net and brought out all the birds and freed them. They were all so happy, clapping, and they said, "Yay, yay," and then they all flew away. In the meantime, what did Chiki Chiki and his friends do? They came back and hid behind the tree and made scary noises and made all these hunters scared when they came back, so that the hunters ran away. So, Chiki Chiki and his friends were very happy that they did a useful thing. So, what do we learn from this story? That team effort always wins. Bye, cuties. See you soon. Ta-da!